In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to turn off Class 2 controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting the two main options to turn off your Class 2 controllers. So the first one isn't actually going to turn them off fully. As you might be aware, whenever you set your Class 2 controllers down, they will automatically go into sleep mode. This is a mode that has low usage in order to conserve battery. And obviously, there is no dedicated power off button on the Oculus Quest 2 controllers. So, something that I need to make very clear is that they do not intend for you to turn off the controllers altogether. They are intended to be powered on all the time. However, a lot of users have expressed concern with the battery and they would like to save as much power as possible. So the only method that actually turns them off is removing the battery. Of course, this is annoying to do because you have to slide down the cover every single time, pull out the battery, and then put it back on when you want to use them. However, like I said before, because the designers and the developers of the controllers intended for you to leave them on at all times, they do not include a dedicated power button. So the only two options that you have to turn them off is to either let them go to sleep, which, like I said, is not essentially turning them off fully, but it is a low enough power usage to where it becomes good enough to save battery, or alternatively, you have to remove the battery if you want to power them off fully. Since there is no dedicated button and there is no option to do this inside of the VR headset or the app, these are your only two considerations. What you can do if you would like to improve the quality of and usage and battery life of your controllers is to purchase rechargeable batteries. But besides this option, if you just want to learn how to turn them off, you have to choose from one of these two methods that I mentioned in the video. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Quest 2 controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.